You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. From Latin, scientific name, a name of a species. Hypogaea. Yes, I've heard some people say it hypogaea, but it kind of doesn't make sense because an A after the G here cannot be soft, make a soft G. If the E was right after the G, yes, that would make sense. That would be hypogaea, but it's an A, so hypogaea could be also pronounced, which is generally the case when you have AEA, can also be pronounced as hypogaea. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.